I'm Mason. Today, I'm gonna show it's impossible to drink with 2 straws. Well, there's a catch. You can drink through 2 straws if they're both in the same glass. But if you leave one straw out of the glass, it doesn't work. When you suck the air from a straw, the air pressure in the straw is less than the atmosphere pressure on the liquid. That causes the liquid to push through the straw. The air pressure in your mouth must also be reduced. Having the second straw in your mouth means the pressure in your mouth can't get below the atmosphere pressure. And that means you can drink it. Join me next time.